Good morning. Hello. How did you sleep?
Well, not bad. Oh yeah, it was alright. Nearly drove off the road a few times and it was pouring down.
Yeah, it's horrible weather.
First time we've had to deal with rain and I'm not ecstatic about it.
Yeah, we did pretty well though. It's 9:30, so we slept quite a lot. In our chairs, we just got
She really slept
brekkie.
from like 11 to half.
Yeah, I woke up quite a few times. And I went to the toilet again in the night.
Did you?
Yeah, I called over you. God, I feel like I really went dream that I had a baby. Oh, it's strange. But I feel like I could carry on sleeping. To be fair, after I eat whatever this is, I think it's just like a chocolate cake and a bicky. Probably will just put some headphones in and go back for a nap. Living the high life, yeah. How did you sleep?
Alright, not bad.
Oh, it looks fresher now. You should have gotten a video of it before.
When?
When you got your meal.
I had my meal.
Well,
Before.
yeah, it wasn't that bad. I'd recommend it. I'll ask Hannah what the name of the bus company is.
The Bariloche.
We went for
The camera package.
executive. But yeah, so we're just going to carry on here. And I'll probably get back to you when we're in Buenos Aires, unless something funny happens before then.
So it's 1:29, so 1:30, and we were supposed to be in at 12:25. So we're now into 18.5 hours, and I could say that I'm pretty much ready to get up. I'm not sure if I can sleep much more, but we're stuck in like some sort of construction as well, which is really inconvenient.
It looks like a bridge, like they're building a bridge.
Yeah, something. Anyway, so when we finally get to our terminal, then we will hopefully take an Uber to our hostel, and then we were thinking of showering, getting ourselves organised, going out for a lovely all-you-can-eat meat and alcohol dinner, and then maybe get on it. We'll see. See you there. Alright guys, so we are in our hostel room. It's quite small, but it's not too bad. We've just showered, freshened up, and then we're going to work out what we want to do because it's kind of like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We haven't really ate at all today, but we really want to go out for like a steak dinner or something. Yet Argentinians eat at 10 o'clock at night, so it's kind of like tough decision what to do. We should go to the supermarket and get some groceries for the rest of the week as well. We've been told that we should stay till next Wednesday because they have this unreal steak night here, and they were like up till 7 o'clock in the morning just enjoying each other's company, so I think we should probably stay and do that. Right, so we've just finished a bottle of wine.
We haven't, still there.
Well, we nearly have, and it was Malo Dolce Bianchi from Mendoza, Argentina, which is really exciting because it's not half bad and we're going there. And now we're just playing cards. Jack's just stealing them out.
I don't know what we want to play though.
Well, we haven't really worked that out. We're trying to work out what we want to do tonight as well. Yeah. So